Hello, everyone. So we are going to walk through how to create your live binder for your child portfolio project. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. And we are in my live binder account. And so I set up this account for free. I just went to livebinders.com. You can see the web address listed here at the top, right? livebinders.com, and I created an account for free. So with my account, I can have up to 5 binders that are available at no cost. So I'm going to create a new binder. So the first thing that I'm going to do is click on this button here. So let's go to new binder. And I'm going to name the binder Child Portfolio. Portfolio for observation and assessment. Now you have a couple of options here. So you can create a category if you want, it doesn't really matter. You can put education. And you can create public, which means that anybody can see it, or private, which means that only you and people that you share it with can see it. What is important about this is that if you mark it private, you have to create an access key. And so I'm going to click where it says access key and create a password portfolio. Right. So if I'm creating this as private, then when I share it, I need to make sure that I'm sharing both the link and the password, the key, right? If I click on share here, it gives you the link to the binder. So you would have to copy that and paste that as your submission, as well as the key portfolio. You can also change the settings to public. So if it's public, you only have to share the link. There's not a key or password. Okay, so I'm going to create a tab for each kind of documentation that is included in the portfolio. And I'm going to go ahead and create all 6, but remember, you only need to do 5. So developmental checklist and rating scale. I'm going to click on the next tab, time event sample. And I'm going to click on the next tab, anecdotal note. And now I need more tabs because they only gave me 3. So I click on this little red arrow and I'm going to choose to add a new tab, right? And so work sample. Photo or video. And formal assessment. Okay, now I could also choose to create sub-tabs, which make many tabs underneath. So if I wanted to do sample 1 and sample 2. Right. So if I want to go ahead and start adding my examples for formal assessment, I'm going to now move up to these boxes up here, right, that I can use, and I'm going to use the content button. So I'm going to click to add content. And I'm going to upload a document. So I'm going to choose my file. And I'm going to do the ASQ as a sample formal screening tool. Now, this is not filled out. If I was submitting it for the assignment, it would need to be filled out with my observations, right? So what you are submitting are the documentation of completed observations focusing on specific developmental areas, right? Remember, we're doing 5 different observations and we're documenting each of those observations using a different strategy. And each of those observations is focused on one of the essential 5 domains, right? So cognitive, social, emotional, language and literacy, approaches to learning, and physical, right? And so then I'm being all fancy and I have 2 examples for formal assessment. Again, you don't need to do this, but I just wanted to show you the subtabs in case you want to use them. So again, I'm going to upload a file. I'm going to choose it. And I'm going to do an individual child report from Teaching Strategies Gold. And there that is. And this one actually covers all of the domains just because that's what I have a copy of. But you would pick the specific domain that you are focusing on for this individual observation. Okay, so then let's go to photo or video. Again, I'm going to upload. If you wanted to do like a link to something, a YouTube video or anything else, you can choose to put in the website to add the link. You could also embed if you want, like if you're sharing a YouTube video. Let's see here. If we go to my YouTube channel. Hold on. Okay, so I don't want to actually share the video sound itself. Okay, so let's go to my YouTube channel. I have here the video from class the other night. I can click share. I can just copy the link if I want, but if I want to embed, I click embed, and then I just copy and paste. And then if I go back to my live binder, if I want to embed a video, I'm going to put that in the text box there and then insert it. It sometimes takes a minute to load. Sometimes I have to get a little impatient with it, but it does load it. There we go. And so I have that video. I actually have something else that I'm going to upload in this place. So I'm going to clear that. And I'm going to add content. I'm going to upload. Again, I'm going to go to my file. And here is my video sample. So I'm going to upload that. Well, that is interesting. I don't know why it's doing that. Okay, let's clear content. See, I was trying to get all fancy with you and show you how to do something, and then it confused it. But let's go ahead and get this out of here. Okay, so again, we are in photo or video. I'm going to add content, which is my document with my video sample. Okay, we're going to keep moving. Okay, so I'm going to add my work sample. Again, I'm going to click add content. I'm going to upload a document. And then I'm going to upload it here. And there we go. I'm going to go to anecdotal note. Again, add my content. I'm going to upload a file. And I'm going to upload that. Time event sample. Content, upload. There you go. And developmental checklist. I printed out a checklist from the milestone moments for 4 months. And again, if I was submitting this as my assignment, I would fill it out before uploading it based on the observation that I had, right? Let's see if we can fix the photo or video. So we're going to add content, upload a file. Well, that's interesting. So what it's doing is it's loading a link. Okay. May just be how that was saved. So I'm going to go back then to my binders. And here I have my child portfolio, so I can look at that, right? So it automatically creates the table of contents. Let's see what it says for photo or video. Yep, it has the link. If I click on that link, there's the PDF I was trying to upload. I don't know why I did it that way, but I can still see it, so it is just fine. Right. So here is my completed table of contents and my completed portfolio. So now I'm going to share it. So I'm going to copy the link to the binder, and I'm going to paste that in the submission. And because I made it private, I'm also going to include the key. So when I post this video in the announcement, I'm also going to post the link and the key. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you tonight. Have a great day.